23 July 2021. We're on the rafts here, and everybody's getting suited up. And you can see the other raft over there. There's the guys, our guides. We're all here on the raft. This is the people on our raft here. They're all going to say hi. They're going to wave to us. Stan's going to wave to us here. Maybe he's not. Okay. And this is the rest of the people on our raft. Now at the end, I hope to have the same number of people on here. So we'll have to wait and see here. This is our guide up here.
That's when we give you paddles, and we're just like, oh, your fault, not ours.
So, when you classify rapids,
which I really think that.
I'm going to ask a question. The bird that sounds like a crow, what is it?
A crow?
Yeah.
It depends if it really does sound like a crow or if it sounds like a.
We have something called pinion feathers. Right, crows don't have pinion feathers. So if you ask me the difference between a raven and a crow, I'd say it's a matter of opinion.
Oh.
What's underwater here? Let's go.
We might see them fly.
A little low today, so we got to have extra help to get the boat back onto a few more inches of deeper water here. So
Keep spinning, or are you just going?
Yeah, I'm gonna
do in the back there. I'm up here too. He's back there helping us out, and our guy Dave is up here in the front helping out too.
The prey kind of thing. It happens super rarely, but it does happen. And this behavior is like, there's kind of curious. It's approaching you slowly. It's like sniffing. It's not like a direct line. It's like kind of wandered around. It's like, what is this thing? Is this something that I can, you know? And then they say if
there's mergansers, ducks over there.
How do you say it? Merganser?
merganser, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this looks like an antenna for something there.
Oh, fish.
Oh. Oh yeah, he's got a fish.
oh boy.
Yep, yep.
Amazing.
Everybody's chasing him. He's trying to eat it. There he goes. Oh, I think he got half swallowed.
Could you imagine having to like deal with that?
Not as many as we used to. They are born in the rivers, you know, they swim to the ocean, live their lives in salt water, and when they're adults they swim back, right? That's the life of a salmon. They swim back to the crown of the continent. We have since dammed up a lot of their rivers so they don't reach here as much as they used to, but they're...
How would they get
Yeah, that's the main source. They
get to the Columbia from here?
Columbia to the Flathead.
Yeah,
Above not damming the rivers, it was trying to promote sport fishing of salmon. We introduced into Flathead Lake this multi-channeled, and there's a bit more beaver activity, so you can see them there occasionally. It's still, they don't.
It's fascinating to see what they can do.
Yeah, they don't love boats, you know. Animals are not the biggest fans, and fish too are not the biggest fans of these big floating things. Fishermen also not the biggest fans of the like trips of. Between the 1 million acres, slightly less of that is the alpine where they live. They don't really live in the lowlands, but they just divide it up evenly between the 52 of them, males and females, and they have their territory. And so they've been known to go, when they're collared and tagged, like dozens of miles every day. Rocks in here. If you look at that rock right in front of us there's ripples, there's sort of tubes. They look like, you know, like ripples in the sand at a beach. Well, also finally a rock that's, you know, most people find it cool. A lot of the other rocks they go, yeah.
Any stromatolites in the canyon?
What's that?
Any stromatolites in the canyon?
No,
No?
not that I know. I should.
More boats in back of us here. They're catching up to us, and those yellow ones.
Can you repeat after me? I haven't seen a bear. We're not going to see a bear. All right? Say that, and then I'll.
And my hope is to see a glacier. That's really, I keep asking.
Yeah.
The nice thing about glaciers is they don't really move as quickly as bears or moose. So I feel pretty confident I can go to the same pullout and it should be there.
Okay.
Some 2 inches an hour?
Oh, like a day, maybe.
Did you say maybe 2 inches an hour?
Maybe a day.
Or 2 inches in a day? Okay.
Depending on really eloquently written. It's pretty humane. You can understand the semantics of it. And the parameters are such that they highlight what are wilderness characters. It has to do with like your view shed, audio, you know, like I said, no mechanized vehicles, no permanent structures, humans are visitors. So when they think about where pesticides are designed to tweak systems that you and I might have, where we don't have like oxalic, you know, like some of the things that plants have that these things are targeted towards. So it was interesting, you know, it was definitely an eye opener. Like, really, the park's going to do this? Uh-oh, Graham's being tapped.
I have kidzu.
Kids, kudzu.
Yeah.
There's a bald eagle right there, flying over top of us here, checking us out. I'm into the sun now, so see if I can see him on the other side. I lost him. Oh, there he is.
In the boat we were in, I was talking about how there's really no other bird that's going to have that white head. One of them dies, and they have what's called nest fidelity. I mean, they return to their same nest every year, and they add to it every
Wash
year.
your hands.
So, like, some of the largest nests are feet across.
Our hand washing area right here. There you go. All right, that's great. Setting up portable tables and everything here. Our intrepid travelers are all waiting here, anxiously awaiting lunch. And I am too. I'm waiting for lunch because I'm a little hungry here. So, okay.
Put it in the box. Yeah.
Lunch being set up here for us. All kinds of good stuff there.
Check this out.
All right. That was there. It's pretty much gone now. Everybody's feeling better. Everybody's munching on their stuff. Some people are finished up there, clean plate, as we all have done for the most part here. Had good variety of chips. We got the cookie lady going by here with cookies here. It's very kind of her. Thank you very much. And all the rest of our folks over here having a good time, munching on everything there. Good stuff. All right. And I took my shirt off, and my other thing is it's getting a little warmer outside now, so I might just put the jacket on in case I get water splashed on me here. But yeah, it was very good. I feel good now, and we'll see you back on the boat. Well, this is the spot where we stopped for lunch. Had a good lunch. Excellent coleslaw. It was made from one of the guide's girlfriend's garden or something there. It was excellent, but we're all stopped there. Those are our 2 rafts. And this is the river. That's from whence we came. And I presume, well, the flow of the river is going that way. So we're going to be heading down there. And more to see. But these are our trusty Glacier Guide boats. We're going to come over. It's a little rocky right here to walk. We got Shadow Man there. He's coming there. Okay, Shadow Man lives. Yes, indeed. These are our Glacier boats here. Everything. We sit on the sides here, facing in, and still people doing some munchies up there. I could have had actually more stuff to eat, but that would have made me tired on the raft. I might have dozed off or something there, so I need my wits about me on that. Okay.
And it is different to be on the river.
There's also a little bit of a breeze on the river, more so than on land, and it's that much more pleasant. Put out all fires. Really changed the way the dynamic of that's supposed to burn. We also, with all the land that used to be in the middle of right now.
Not a photo trip.
Yeah, it's been going on, and this year, it's like these things happen, and the scientific people tracking the data are like, this is happening. And
3 trips this contract.
and then after it's been going on long enough, you go, now we know.
Yeah, it wouldn't make sense. It's only 1 day. 1 day between one day,
But you know,
and you guys will leave.
keep a lookout for.
They don't have a
She knew from the say. She knew I was worried about the camper more than me.
And you did too. I love the way
Did
you
great. All right, we're not going anywhere. You can take your time getting in.
Yay to you, man. Wow.
Yay. All right.
No
The
kidding.
swimmer.
I love
You
it.
walk back in,
Wow.
we'll spin around.
That's
after
my
that.
first concern.
It was. It showed.
Wow.
A little bit of wind here. I don't have my wind cover on, so you're going to hear wind noise. But we're getting close to the bus to take us back here now. To the end of our boat trip. There's our empty boat going away now. There's the other one. We're going in the Bluebird bus over here. Back over here. All right. All right, we're heading back. Turn in our equipment. Those were our 2 guides for the trip.
Sorry.
All right, we're opening up windows to get some air here. Which way to go? I can't do it from
Yeah,
here.
you gotta kind of pull them both.
Yeah.
Over here?
Which way you
Yeah.
pull?
Push it the other way.
Together, all the way down.
Oh, we got one more here.
This one's already
Yeah,
open.
pull that one towards me.
I snuck like thank you. Can you help us?
All right.
I actually haven't got that yet. Wow, that's a perfect nickname.